Alright guys, so today we're going to be putting the engine in the car, or the spare engine in the car, so I can mock up the turbo and start working on the downpipe. This is my new 1-ton lift that I'm going to be using to mock up the engine into the car. Alright, finally got it set up. Now to move on to the engine. So this is the motor we'll be lifting and putting in there. Obviously it's old and crusty. This is my spare motor. This is the actual race motor. We're gonna go ahead and put this in there, like I said, just because we're going to be mocking up the downpipe, but that's pretty much it. Once that's done, we're gonna take this out and bring it back. Probably asking yourself, why am I mounting this now instead of just waiting till I get the whole car assembled and the engine assembled and put it back in and then do it then? Well, the truth of the matter is I'm still waiting on parts, and at this point I can no longer wait for these things to come in. So some progress is better than no progress. The reason it took me so long to even begin this process was I was waiting for motor mounts. I had ordered some Hasport motor mounts back in like November, October, and they still haven't shown up. Then I decided to go with a completely different motor mount in general. And so I went from poly to going with the OEM S2000 motor mounts that are liquid filled, just to reduce all the vibration that I was telling you guys about in the earlier episodes. In order to run the S2000 mounts, I got this set of motor mounts in. This is a RBZ motor mount kit. Time to install them. We should be fine. That makes sense. All right, the motor mounts are on now. Before I could put the OEM motor mounts back in, I had to take out these innovative brackets first. Now I gotta put these OEM motor mounts in along with these heat shields, so let's get that done. Now that we got the OEM motor mounts back in, time to put the engine on the hoist and lift her in. Alright, the engine is in now, as you can see. Now I just need to relocate the heater hoses right here and then put the header on to start mocking everything up. Main exhaust manifold. right, so this is what we're looking at today. We got the header on. I did put the turbo on, but I realized that I don't have enough room on the side here to fit a 3-inch pipe. So what we're gonna end up doing is doing a little math trickery here and doing two inches on the side to get her down there in that part. All right, so I'm gonna go get the down pipe made and then we should be good to go. Until next time, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. There's a lot going on and hopefully we should be done soon. See you later.